Hello, Matt.
Hey, Jay.
Matt, today we're learning something important.
Exciting.
We're learning how to talk about specific things. But before we do that, let's have a snack. I got these at the market.
Great. Yum, yum, yum. They look delicious. Can I have banana?
The banana? Sure.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. No, wait. I want an apple.
An apple. Well, there are two apples. Do you want the red apple or do you want the green apple?
I'll have the red apple.
Okay, Matt, you just used the definite article to talk about a specific thing.
I did what now?
Let me show you. You can use the definite article the before a noun to specify. So, for example, there is only one banana, so you can say the banana. Similarly, there is only one red apple, so you can say the red apple.
Okay. Can I use the with more than one thing? Can I say the apples?
Sure, you can use the with singular, the apple, or plural, the apples. So if we're talking about these apples right here, we're being specific, so we can say the apples.
Okay. What about uncountable nouns? Like, I don't know, milk? Time?
You can use the with uncountable nouns. So here, for example, we have some fruit, not fruits. And if we talk about this specific fruit right here, then we can say the fruit, or the milk, or the time.
Okay, I got it, I think. So, what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about specific things using the.
Great! Well, can I have all of the fruit?
Sure.
Great.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.